Hello, so here is my setup. I have 3 external monitors. That's the regular TV outside, even though it has a cable to connect. But I use this, my laptop. This is my Dell laptop, and I just ran through the plug debug your utilities. I saved the file and I'm putting here on the email. But I'm gonna do a troubleshooting again because this just happened. It's been happening since the day one. You sent me some instructions on the email to go through this, the step by step here that you did to download these extract files. I follow all this, did all that a couple of days ago, and installed it. I did. I thought it would solve the problem, but it still did not, and I did not have time to send it back. But I'm gonna film this process so you see exactly what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna reboot my computer. This is my Plugable here. I have 3 monitors, 1, 2, and 3. All this plugged in. This cable is the cable they provided by you. It's coming directly here. And let's do a troubleshooting first this way. I'm gonna unplug it, disconnect it. It's gonna reboot. Now I only have this on. Now this sometimes it works if I just plug it again all the way in. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if I can do this. Now just one monitor got alive. The other ones, oh, yeah, it's coming. See, now it's coming. So you can tell it's something to do with the driver, but it's not gonna last too long. Okay. This is still refreshing over here. That one refreshed. This is still acting strange. This is not normal. As you can see, the wallpaper is not correct. Let's see here. If I move some, oh, by the way, a lot of times it freezes. See, I'm trying to move this. Okay, now look at this. Completely went, and it's gonna disconnect. So that is one way. Okay, so went back to just 2 screens. That's the problem I was having before. So something's causing a conflict. If I go here, I won't have that. If I go into display settings, it's gonna show here, and I have just 2 monitors being detected. Identify only 1 and 2. The other one's not alive at all. All right, so tried all kinds of things here, but it's just not recognizable. So let me do this way. I'm gonna unplug this here, and then I'm gonna unplug this Plugable. Okay, now it's unplugged. I'm gonna leave it out there for 10 seconds. So everything is unplugged. Computer is on. Only this screen. None of the screens is on. And now 10 seconds is over. This is no signal here. I'm gonna replug this here into the power. So that goes on first. The light is on over here. That's probably booted up. Now I'm gonna connect. Actually, let me do this. Let me reboot the computer so you see the whole thing. I'm gonna actually shut it down just in case. It'll be a little longer video, but shutting it down. Okay, now I'm gonna restart my Dell, and this is a excellent Dell with great specs. This is the Inspiron 7000 i7 core i7, and did I press start? I press start. Okay, now I see the light. It's booting up. Still unplugged. Let the laptop boot up first. In my opinion, there's something on my laptop that's causing your drivers are not fully being compatible. Maybe it was an update on a Windows 11 that's causing that. but it's very strange. Okay, the laptop I think is boot up. I'm gonna open a browser here just so I can have something. Going to Gmail. And so as you can tell, it's booted up. I have another one here. This is your page. I went to your Plugable support page. This is the model that I have when I bought, just like this one. And this is the page that I use it to debug the utilities. I downloaded this utility here. So that's all that. Right now, let's connect the cable from the Plugable all the way here on my USB-C plug. Now let's watch. The 3 monitors should come on. 1. Uh-oh. This time just 1 monitor. Now I was doing all 3 monitors a while ago, but you see another problem. Why it would not come on all 3? So I'm gonna unplug it and plug it again because it was not detected. And back to normal. I'm gonna plug it again, wait a few minutes. Plug it again. Let's see if it's gonna detect. Uh-oh, just 1 again. So just 1 was detected. I'm gonna this time do this other way here. Unplug this. Unplug the power. This gets disconnected. I'm gonna unplug this also. Now I'm gonna put this here again. Wait a few seconds. You notice I just reboot the computer, the laptop, right? So now I'm gonna connect this. Oh no. I'm only getting 1. This was working just before. I mean, it worked for a few minutes. All right, let me do one more thing. I'm gonna restart my computer. This time I'm gonna do a restart. Let's see if it's gonna pick up or not. But cables are connected firmly here. I already switched one of the HDMI because at one point this one here, one cable was incorrect, was flickering. So I replaced this cable here, HDMI, that could be causing the problem, but I did not. So right now it's restarting. Let's see if it restarts correctly. Oh, I'm going crazy. I've spent hours on this, different days, and used to work fine. I have another laptop that was working fine, never had a big problem, and then I don't know if Windows caused something happen or I installed something and this started to happen. But I wish there was a way to identify what the problem is. And you guys in support, I wish somebody would really come to my computer, do a troubleshooting remote desktop into my computer so you can see if there is anything causing the conflict. I even tried to see if there is anything that was running in the background, some kind of a services, but I don't know what could be causing this. It's taking a while to restart. Let's see, I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Still restarting. Now it's taking a long time. Don't know what the deal is here. It never takes this long. I'm gonna pause it again. Looks like Windows had a problem restarting, so I forced to power down and restart it, and it gave me the options: continue with reboot, turn off user, or troubleshoot. So I'm gonna do the troubleshoot and reset this PC. Looks like to keep the remove. I'm gonna keep this. Don't wanna reset the PC. Keep my files. Remove everything. Keep my files. Recovery key is going to, yeah. Enter the recovery key. Identified. Well, don't know what to do. How to find the recovery key? Try Microsoft account. I don't have it. Identify your key. Keyboard layout. Skip this drive. No. Change the layout. Change the layout. Keyboard. Enter the recovery key to get going again. I don't know what to do here. US. Continue. No changes were made. There was a problem resetting your PC. No change were made. Cancel. Let's go ahead and continue. This is very strange here. Never seen that before. Something's going on. I should reboot. Okay, let's back out. See if you get all three screens. HDMI one here, HDMI another one here, all three signals. Let me start with mine. Now all three is gonna work, or four. As you can see, that's gonna be like this for a few minutes, and then it's gonna go down because the Plugable is gonna cause something, or I have this program called NViewer that's running. Something just got loaded up, but all three screens are still on. I'm just gonna start something. Let's see. That's gonna take just a few minutes to break it. Well, that's my regular Gmail account. Let's find your draft that I was working on. Loading, but so far all three monitors are working. This is working. Plugable, that's my draft. That's the email I was working on. I'm working on right now. I'll move that here. That's the Macau Plugable support. I just did this earlier. I paste this image here, and I'm gonna type something here, and then I'm gonna save this video that I'm recording so you can see, but I'm hoping that this will break after a few minutes. Only take a few minutes. This is the page from the Plugable that I was there before. I don't want to continue this video, but what's happening before is this was all of after just a few minutes. This is gonna be into just this monitor and this monitor. It's just frustrating, but I don't know what to tell you. I have to wait a few minutes. I'm gonna put the video on pause, and I'm gonna just keep typing on this email, and if it breaks, I'll push the camera to record this again. But ideally it would be so you can see that if I leave the computer here for just a few minutes, and it will break it, and they will all flicker black, and it's only one monitor will be working, And I don't know, I think it's this one here, the HDMI 2, that's gonna be the one working, which is this monitor here. Let me just see here if we can find it. And also the mouse locks up. Let's go here into, see, that's how I have it right now. And I'm gonna move it around, I'm gonna try to play with the resolution here. Scale. Let's see if something will break. Recommended resolution, I'm using the recommended 150. Recommended 150. Identify. All three are working. Trying to reposition this here to see if it will cause the break or anything. Apply. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Apply. So far so good. This is getting a little too long, but I'm gonna pause the video and continue when it breaks. Okay, as I'm typing here, that starts to generate a problem. My mouse is still here. My mouse is not working here anymore. It's not moving over here. I bet it's gonna be the problem. See, it's frozen here. I was typing on this laptop, boom, oh look at this. So now it just disappeared. I was just typing an email and the monitors disappeared, and I only have two here. And for no particular reason, this screen went to here. This is black and black. I didn't change anything, I didn't touch anything. I was just typing this email. This window was here, and then the mouse froze. I could not move. It was moving, but it was not responding to this monitor anymore. And then it did this. So this is the problem. I can't stand this. I already rebooted, twice, and unplug and plug this device and my laptop, and just something's going on. Anyway, I'm attaching this email here, and I'm gonna attach this video, and with the log files that you asked. But ideally, again, please call me. Let's do a remote session. Let's see what's going on with my laptop, or some drivers that may need to be fixed. I don't know, but I can't stand this anymore. I spent a lot of money on this device, so I'd like to have it fixed. So we'll send this. I spent $300 on Amazon, I think. All right, thank you very much. Hopefully you can help me. Bye bye.